crates. And as we always say here, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
We're just gonna hang out back there, guys. You guys visit? Fucking no, sorry.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Made the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Pilots, grab those controls. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. No luck. Try again when we find our bounties. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the home beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor. Good choice, kid. Jump to light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, headed to the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate with your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. Watch out! They'll stall the ship. There's our bounty. Follow him. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to the... We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Great shot. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. They can jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Welcome back. Any crates?
We were a little busy, Hondo.
Of course, no problem. After all, we are splitting the bounty credits.
Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.